मैम हमें ऐसा कोई क्यू कार्ड क्वेश्चन बताइए जिसके वजह से वी कैन प्रिपेयर अ लॉट एंड वी कैन गेट द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन दैट वी आर गोइंग टू एनकाउंटर इन आवर आइल्स एग्जामिनेशन. सो डोंट वरी, आई एम हियर बैक अगेन विद top 10 useful and unique cue card questions for you guys so that you can take help of them and you can prepare better and get your band score enhanced. So stay in the video because I have a wonderful surprise for you guys at the end. So let's start with the cue card question. So the very first cue card question I'm having over here is, yes, describe a time when you discovered. So describe a time when you discovered something accidentally. Now this is going to involve a lot of creativity. This is going to involve a lot of thinking ability. As I usually tell in my videos that don't let your brain explore in the 11th hour. So make sure you think wisely and think inside the question and don't end up getting distracted. So what you need to talk about, what you discovered, how you discovered it, how it affected you, and explain why this discovery was important to you. Tell about that thing that you discovered something accidentally that has turned out to be one of the useful thing to you. Okay, now let's talk about the next question. Describe a situation when you had to make a sudden decision. Now this is very common question and I know there are a lot of people, you are going to take time to think for this answer. Now take care of the basic idea. Don't forget to take into consideration the basic idea, keep the idea basic, work on the language, enhance your answer and present it. Now there's where you're going to get your band score enhanced. Okay, now let's talk about the next question. Talk about a project or task that took you a long time to complete. Now here you have to be very precise on the data that you're providing. प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात करना है, टास्क के बारे में बात करना है. If I say project, it is not only confined to your professional level, but you can also take the academic project as well. कोई भी ऐसा task that took you long time to complete it. So it can be any task, it can be any project. Getting it? Now let's see what are the questions we have got to answer. What the project or task was, why it took you so long, how you manage your time, and explain how you felt after completing it. Now these are the certain questions. If you guys are aware of the fact, then क्यू कार्ड में आपको बहुत ही सीक्वेंस के साथ आंसर करना होता है, right? Because of this, you have got to keep up with the question. What are the questions you are going to encounter, and also utilize that 1 minute time that you're going to get at the time of your cue card response so that you can utilize that time and prepare your notes properly. Talking about the next question now. Describe a cultural festival or celebration that is unique to your country or region. It can be any cultural festival, it can be any celebration. The very first thing that comes to your mind is going to be your response. Don't force yourself to think a lot. Don't force yourself to come up with a lot of ideas at the same time. But make sure keep your idea basic. If after reading this question, आपके दिमाग में दिवाली आ रही है, होली आ रही है, दशहरा आ रहा है, go for it. Irrespective of the region you belong, irrespective of the part of country you belong, whatever festival that's going to come up to your mind is going to be your answer. Now let's understand what is the question. Further we are going to discuss what the festival and celebration is, how it is celebrated, why it is unique, and explain why you like most about what you like most about this festival, and explain the celebration. Make sure you talk about all those things that talks about what it includes, how you celebrate it, and what are the, in terms of food, in terms of clothing, in terms of celebration, in terms of prop. You can structure your answer like that and you can come up with that. Okay, now अब आ जाते हैं दूसरे क्वेश्चंस की ओर. Talk about a person you met who has a very different perspective on life. Now this kind of a question is going to be very unique to you. Okay, make sure you take help of these questions and prepare your response wisely. This will help you elaborate on your answer. Also, it's going to be come up with another kind of perspective. Instead of using those cliche questions again and again, it's better you can just have a quick look to this. Okay, who the person is, how you met them, how the view different from yours. Now it's not important always that आप ऐसे लोगों से मिलो, ठीक है? तो अगर आप नहीं मिले हो अभी तक, that's totally fine. You can think of any person in your life whom you can refer in this question, so that you get rid of that chaos that is getting created in your mind. Okay, now describe a place you visited that surprised you in an unexpected way. You have to describe about a place that has surprised you in an unexpected way. What is that place? What it can be any place you visited, because it says describe a place. You are not confined to your thinking. आप किसी भी जगह का नाम ले सकते हो, किसी भी प्लेस, किसी भी सिटी, किसी भी कंट्री का नाम ले सकते हो that has surprised you in an unexpected way, right? So don't worry, you can also talk about where the place was, why you went there, what surprised you, and explain whether the surprise was positive or negative. Okay, now let's talk about the next question. Okay, describe an experience when you had to explain something very complicated to someone. Amazing. Now these kind of question is actually these kind of questions are actually very good to engage you, and also your response will engage the examiner as well. Okay, what you had to explain, who you explained it to, how you went about explaining it, and explain whether the person understood it in the end or not. Now talk about a time when the technology let you down. Amazing. You can let down by the technology anytime. You never know, you are in a very important meeting, and all of a sudden your laptop shuts down. All of a sudden your laptop's take an update. Okay, you're calling someone through phone, and all of a sudden your phone gets switched off. Okay, so when I'm talking about technology, I am not confined to laptop, mobile phone or television. Technology is anything that eases the work of a human being. It can be any technology that you can talk about. They have not confined you to use any particular technological gadget. No, so be very sure at the time of presenting your response. Don't get confined to mobile phone or laptop or tablet. No, you can make them a part of your answer, but not your entire answer. Okay. Now, let's see what's next. Describe a situation when you changed your opinion about something or someone. There are a lot of times when we usually change our opinion for something or someone, maybe because of, getting the other one's perspective, or, getting a friend's perspective, or a person whom we are inspired from, right? What was it about? What made you change your opinion? How you felt before and after, and explain the impact of this change in your perspective. What are the things? They can be any of the opinion. Okay, it can be the opinion with respect to a social issue. It can be an opinion with respect to the personal issues. It can be an opinion with respect to any kind of an idea that you feel, okay, you are confined with certain kind of a thinking. Now, after listening to that person, I have changed my perspective. That person is right. So, you can come up with any idea. Okay, describe a challenge you faced in learning something new. Learning something new. When I say learning something new, it can be anything. It can be a musical instrument. It can be a technique. It can be related to academic. It can be related to personal. It can be related to professional. Whatever you can learn, you can take up anything. Now, these kind of topics helps you explore so that you can come up with multiple ideas. Make sure you're going to come up with multiple ideas, right? Now, once you're done with that, what you were trying to learn, what difficulties you encountered, how you overcame these difficulties, and explain what you learned from this experience. This is what you are going to talk about. Okay. Now let's talk about, okay, so here are the top 10 cue cards that I have shared with you, and I know that these are going to help you. Now let's talk about some pointers that you need to take care at the time of your preparation of speaking task. Okay. First of all, understand the topic thoroughly. Listen to the topic carefully, what the examiner is actually trying to ask you. Okay. Then plan your response. I know you are going to get one, and you also know that you are going to get 1 minute to prepare your response. Make sure you use that 1 minute properly. Okay. Use a clear structure. I have already told you in my videos that follow the IBC structure, which stands for introduction, body, and conclusion. Elaborate on each pointers. Make sure it is not important to come up with multiple ideas. It's not important to flood yourself with multiple ideas. What's important is take a minimal idea, use your language creativity and enhance your response. Instead of coming up with 6 to 7 ideas at times, come up with 2 to 3 ideas. Elaborate them, justify them, support them with an example. And there you go, and there you're gonna have your band score enhanced, right? Now, manage your time. Time management is another major technique that you can come up. Okay? Agar if you are being asked कि if you have to speak for 2 minutes for this question, make sure you prepare yourself accordingly. 2 minutes का 3 minutes हो जाएगा तो it's not like that कि you are going to get enhanced band score. नहीं, whatever level of fluency you are having, whatever level of vocabulary you are using, you are going to get bands according to that. Okay, now showcase a range of vocabulary. Complicated and sophisticated vocabulary is not required, but yes, wide range of vocabulary with accuracy of the content is important. Okay, now let's talk about these are the things, these are the pointers that you need to take care. Okay, now yes, that's all. Thank you so much. Thank you all for watching. For more such content and for more such video, make sure you can explore our YouTube channel so that you can get access to all the upcoming new series and all the videos that are already there. Okay, so all the very best to all the students who are preparing for their IELTS examination. Take care. We'll see you later. Bye.